This video's Dave, just to show you how I made the compressor. It is 2 refrigeration units, one there and one there, as you can see, and down the bottom what I did, that is a gas cylinder, and I cut the rings off each end, and when I cut the big ring off, I cut it in half, and that's what I made the feet out of. Welded a socket in the end which was 3/8 of an inch, and then I put the pressure reducing valve on, and then you can see I've got a control valve up the top there, and that's control valve, automatic pressure turn off. That's the air filter there. That one's the air filter, and then they're joined together, bit of pipe work, but also there's a non-return valve just here, non-return. You need the non-return valve because inside the compressors, being fridge units, they don't actually have proper valves. They've got reed valves, which is just a bit of spring steel flapping back over a hole, and that's why it's got that in, so that the pressure stays in the cylinder. And as you can see, it's only a small cylinder. I built that 2012, tested it, and it came up. When I tested it, I put 160 psi on that to test it for an hour, and then it runs on 100 psi, which is quite adequate. You can adjust it on here. Inside here there's a plus and minus bolt. You can plus or minus the use of what you want to set the pressure at. They're normally set at 120, but that is, I've set it at 100. And on the far side there is a safety valve, which you definitely need. That's really all you can say about a compressor, really. And it does the job. And the reason I like it, it's silent. Somebody rings me on the phone, it's great because it doesn't make a noise when it's running. When I had the other big compressor, it used to drown you out. You couldn't hear yourself in the workshop. So I built this, and it does a fantastic little job. And it's perfect for spraying. Little jobs, it does a treat. I only spray models, and that is absolutely perfect for what I need. And having the two together makes it the air come up quicker. Because you've got to remember that the piston in there is only about 20 mil. So that's 2 20 mil pistons. So there we are. That's exactly what I've done. I hope that helps you out, and I hope you find it interesting. You do have to change the wiring on the thing when you pull it out of the fridge, because what happens is there's a switch in the fridge which is your temperature controller, and which you have to just alter the wiring just a little bit. You can put a link in, or you can do what I just move it over a terminal. Not a problem, really easy to do, and that's an easy way of making a compressor, just by cutting them rings off, using them as your feet. Underneath there is a drain valve, and that's about it really. So you can't quite see it on there, but there is, right underneath there is a drain valve. I put a 3/8 valve in the middle to drain the water out. Not a problem. Don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down, or subscribe if you like. There will be some other stuff coming up. That's just one of the things I built. There's lots of others. Catch you later. Bye.